Hello, today I'm going to change the pedestal and seat base for Basstender 11.3. So the pedestal is seized up in the base. These are hard to find. I couldn't find one, so I'm taking this whole thing out. I've already unscrewed it. Remove that. And I'm just going to take the new Shoreline Marine base. It's a 7-inch. So put the seat base in there, drill new holes, and screw it down. So we're using the Shoreline Marine pedestal. It's an 11-inch. It's a 3/4 inch universal pin. Got the seat base installed. Pedestal. There it is. New pedestal and seat. Good to go. Time to go fishing. Hope this helped you out.